Hi again guys, my name is Cubastic and you're watching part 2 of the Rubik's Cube solving tutorial. Last time we learned how to make a cross on the white side and I'm sure you can easily do it now, so let's continue. Next step is gonna be solving the white side. Notice that we are not just solving the white side, but the first layer is done as well. It's done really easy and now I'm gonna teach you how to do that. So after finishing the cross, we flip the cube so the white looks down and the yellow side faces up. Just like in the beginning. It's exactly the correct position to be solving the cube from now on. The next thing we need is to find corners with white color on the third, upper layer. These are the corners, all of them have 3 colors and one of them should be white. Let's have a look. Here we have yellow, green and orange, so we don't need it. It doesn't have the white color. Next, red, blue, yellow. Not the one as well. Next, green, red, white. Here. This piece has white color. Here it is. It is located on the up face and on the right side. It's ready to be put on its place. To do that, we need to have a closer look on the colors it has. Red and green. To put it on the exact spot where it needs to be, we need to look at the colors of these centers that kinda surround our corner, green and orange. Unfortunately, green and orange doesn't fit green and red colors on our corner. We need to keep turning the first and the second layer until 2 centers would fit our corner, which is red and green. So one more time. Red and green. Here we don't have red and green, so we keep turning, leaving our corner on its place. Red and green, but the centers are red and blue. Keep turning. Corner is red and green and both centers are red and green. They finally fit and now we can put the corner on its place. To do that, we need to repeat that little algorithm I taught you in the previous video. Let's remember it. Right clockwise, up clockwise, right counterclockwise, up counterclockwise. It is labeled as R, U, R prime, U prime. Repeat it a few more times to remember it. So the corner is where we need it at the moment, on top and between the matching centerpieces. So now we can do the algorithm. Let's do it. Right face clockwise, up clockwise, right counterclockwise, up counterclockwise. We need to repeat it until our corner is on its place right here, at the bottom. As you can see, one time was enough to put it on its place. And it matches the colors of all of its neighbors. That means it's where it belongs. When we moved our corner, we continue to look for the white corners on the up face. There's no white corner, there's not one, and here it is. So our task again is to find a place where it will be surrounded by the centerpieces with colors it has. We see orange and green. So we put it where the centerpieces are orange and green as well. Next we do the algorithm. R, U, R prime, U prime. As you see, one time was enough again. So the corner is on its place. Let's move on. Here we have one more corner with white, blue and red colors. Let's put it between the matching centerpieces. They need to be red and blue. Let's see. Green and red, no. Red and blue, yes. So the corner is just where we want it. Next we do our algorithm. R, U, R prime, U prime. So we did the algorithm, but the corner still doesn't fit with its neighbors. As you can see, it's on the wrong place. So we just continue doing the algorithm until the corner is on its place. Right, up, right prime, up prime. It's still in the wrong place. Continue. right, up, right prime, up prime. The corner is still somewhere else. R, U, R prime, U prime. Once again, it's not there. Continue. Right, up, right prime, up prime. And after 5 algorithms, our corner is where it needs to be. So it can take any number of algorithms, but eventually the corner is gonna be on its place. We do the same with our last corner. There is no white color, no white, and no white as well. If there's no white corners on top, it means it's on the bottom. Here it is. All we need to do is move it up. How to do it? Use the same algorithm. Hold the cube so the corner is at the bottom on the right and do the formula. Right, up, right prime, up prime. Done. The corner is on top. Next we need to find centerpieces for it, and blue and orange are already here, so we can continue doing the algorithm. R, U, R prime, U prime. The corner isn't on its place. Continue. R, U, R prime, U prime. Once again. R, U, R prime, U prime. Let's check. The corner is on its place. As you can see, the first layer is already solved and it was pretty easy to do, just repeating one algorithm. Let's see some situations you might encounter. You already know what to do when we don't have the white corner on the top. It means it's on the bottom. But when you look down, all of our elements are on their places. Let's check if the layer is done correctly. Green matches green, red with red, blue with blue, but here it doesn't match. It means that these corners need to be moved up and put between their centerpieces. We move them with the same algorithm. Now it's up. Once again, we check the colors, green and orange, but here we have blue and orange. Doesn't fit. We put it between the correct centerpieces, orange and green, and we can do the algorithm. It's not there. Still not there. One more time. Again. Here it is, right on its place. And continue with the next one. The next corner appeared on the top. We find the correct centerpieces for it and do the algorithm. As you see, one time was enough. So we already have the first side and the first layer. Next we need to finish the second layer. Let's go. To finish the second layer you need to learn one more algorithm. You can easily do the first algorithm now. Here it is. And now you need to learn the exact same algorithm but for the left hand. So we take the cube with our left hand, turn left counterclockwise, up counterclockwise, left clockwise, and up clockwise. It's the exact same algorithm as you've learned before, but it's mirrored. L prime, U prime, L, U. To fill all the gaps on the second layer, we need to find the pieces first. We're gonna look for them on the up face, where the yellow centerpiece is. We need the edges without the yellow color. Let's see. Green and yellow. We don't need it because there's yellow. Turn the cube this way and watch again. Red and yellow. We don't need it as well. Turn again. Red and blue. It's the piece we need. To put it on its place, first we need to get it to its centerpiece. So its color matches the centerpiece color. So we do the same thing, we turn both the first and the second layers until these two colors match. Red and blue don't match, let's turn more. Blue and blue. Next we need to figure out where our edge should go. To the left or to the right. To figure this out, we need to look at the second color this piece has. It's red, so let's see the neighboring colors. There's orange and there's red. So this piece should be here on the right. So once again, we found a piece without the yellow color, matched it with the same centerpiece and figured out on which side we need to move it. Now we do the algorithm. First, we need to move this piece to the other side of the final place. Do this. If it goes to the right, we move it left. Next, we do the regular right-hand algorithm. Turn the cube like this and do the left-hand algorithm. L prime, U prime, L, U. Let's see what happened. Our piece moved from here to here and found its place. Let's continue. On the top side we look for one more edge. Here we don't have the yellow color. Next we need to match these colors. Turn both layers. Done. Green and green. As you can see, the edge is orange and we have orange here, so it should go to the right. We do the same. First we move it away from the final place. Right there. Then we do the right algorithm. Turn the cube like that and do the left algorithm. Done. The edge is on its place again. Now let's consider a scenario when we don't need an edge to go to the right, we need it to go to the left. For that we put it near its center. Check the second color, now it's red, so the edge should go over here. We need to do the same algorithm, but mirrored. So we put our edge away from the final place, right there. Then we do the left algorithm. 1, 2, 3, 4. Turn the cube but the other side now. And do the right algorithm. 1, 2, 3, 4. As you can see, the element is on its place. So that is how you fill the second layer, and right now we're gonna analyze extraordinary cases that could appear during this stage. So what is extraordinary here? On top here we don't have any edges without the yellow color. Let's see. The first one has yellow, this one has, the third one has, and this one has yellow as well, but the second layer isn't solved yet. In this case we need to move these edges to the top. For example, this edge doesn't have the yellow color, so we really need it on top. So instead of this one we're gonna put any edge from the top, for example this one. For that we do the same algorithm. The edge goes to the right, so we move it away from that place, to the left. Then we do the right algorithm. Turn the cube. And do the left algorithm. So now on top we have an edge without the yellow color, and you already know what to do with it. Match with the center and you need to put it to the right. Let's go. Move it to the opposite direction, the right algorithm. Turn the cube and the left algorithm. The edge is on its place. The first two layers aren't solved and we don't have any edges without yellow on top. So we do the same thing, but we use this edge and put any other on its place. For example, this one. To move it to the left, first we move it to the opposite direction, do the left algorithm, turn the cube and do the right algorithm. Done. The edge is on top, so now we can use it. We find the center of the same color and we need to put it there. Put it away, the left algorithm, turn the cube and do the right algorithm. So guys, this is the second part of this tutorial. We've learned how to solve the first two layers of the Rubik's Cube. As you can see, it's really easy and you only need to repeat over and over one simple algorithm. I hope this video was interesting and easy for you. If something isn't working for you during this solve, just rewatch the video and pay attention to the details. And only after you can easily do this stage, only then proceed to the next part of this tutorial. And of course, don't forget to subscribe and like this video if it was helpful, and tell me in the comments if you managed to finish this stage of the solving. See you in the next part.